I'm very sure that you'll be very proud to know that India has shipped another major piece of its semiconductor ambitions. Every commercial shipment may look like, well, just another export. However, together, these are creating something much bigger. But before we guide your minds to this breakthrough, and a wonderful one at that, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. CG Semi has officially started commercial chip shipments from its facility in Sanand, Gujarat, marking another important milestone in India's journey from designing chips to becoming part of the global semiconductor manufacturing supply chain. Now, this semiconductor subsidiary of CG Power has begun commercial shipments of assembled semiconductor chips from its pilot outsourced semiconductor assembly and test, or OSAT, facility in Sanand, Gujarat. Now, according to the reports, the first commercial consignment was dispatched on the 19th of June 2026 from the facility to Kuala Lumpur Airport. This shipment is meant to serve customers of Renesas Electronics, the Japanese semiconductor company that is both CG Semi's joint venture partner and its anchor customer. The commercial rollout comes nearly 10 months after the pilot facility was inaugurated in August of 2025. The project is among the 12 semiconductor proposals approved under the first phase of the India Semiconductor Mission in February of 2024. Now, CG Power is investing 7,600 crore rupees or 76 billion rupees over a period of 5 years in partnership with Japan's Renesas Electronics and Thailand-based Stars Microelectronics. The project consists of two facilities named G1 and G2. The pilot G1 facility is already operational. It has a peak processing capacity of around 0.5 million units per day, performing chip assembly, packaging, testing and post-test services. Now, the Sanand facility is designed to package semiconductor devices used across multiple industries. It includes consumer electronics, industrial equipment, automotive, power electronics and several other applications. The much larger G2 facility is expected to become operational by the end of 2026 to significantly increase production capacity, and rightly so. Now, however, CG Semi is not alone. Other beneficiaries of the India Semiconductor Mission, including Micron Technology and Kaynes Semicon, have also started shipping semiconductor products from their own assembly and packaging facilities. And with pride, here is the front page take. Now, industry experts say the start of commercial production and exports marks another important transition. With Renesas Electronics providing both technology support and initial customer demand, the Sanand facility is expected to strengthen India's role in global semiconductor supply chain. Now, India is slowly adding each of the building blocks for global supply chain integration. The question probably is now, can India scale from chip assembly and testing to becoming a full-fledged semiconductor manufacturing powerhouse? And what are the stakes to achieve it? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe and always remember, think AI, think AIM.